Did you know that hair loss affects both men and women? But don't worry, there are 3 herbal remedies that can help. First, henna. This contains antifungal properties and vitamin E. Henna can help reduce hair fall and promote hair growth. The second is olive oil. This contains omega-3 fatty acids that help thicken hair. Olive oil can moisturize hair and increase blood circulation in the scalp. And 3. Black seed oil. This has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Black seed oil can help protect against shedding and thinning of hair. Try these herbal remedies from today and see the improvement in your hair health and growth.
I've been incorporating fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, and kombucha in my diet, and I've noticed a huge improvement in my gut health.
Really? I've heard of those foods, but I don't know much about them. How do they help with gut health?
Fermented foods contain bacteria that can help restore the balance of good bacteria in your gut that antibiotics can disrupt. They also contain prebiotics that feed the good bacteria in your gut.
That makes sense. But aren't fermented foods high in salt and sugar?
Yes, some fermented foods can be high in salt and sugar, but there are many varieties that are low in both. Plus, the benefits of the good bacteria outweigh the potential negatives of salt and sugar.
I see your point. So, which fermented foods do you recommend?
Well, kefir is a great source of probiotics and can be used in smoothies or as a substitute for milk. And kimchi is a spicy fermented cabbage that's high in probiotics and can be eaten as a side dish or added to soups and stews. And kombucha is a fermented tea that's high in probiotics and can be enjoyed as a cold, refreshing drink.
Wow, those all sound delicious. I'll have to give them a try.
Definitely. Just make sure to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to avoid any digestive discomfort.
Thanks for the advice. I'm excited to try incorporating these fermented foods into my diet and improve my gut health.
You're welcome. Remember, a healthy gut is key to overall health and well-being.
Here are 8 foods that will really help keep your liver healthy. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries have one of the highest antioxidant levels out of all the main fruits and vegetables. As they are so high in antioxidants, they can neutralize some of the free radicals in our body that damage the cells. 2. Grapes. Grapes are also high in antioxidants and are very high in nutrients. Like blueberries, their antioxidant properties help neutralize the free radicals in our body and thus help protect our cells from damage. 3. Beetroot. Not only are beetroots high in antioxidants they also help towards reducing inflammation and help improve blood circulation in our body. 4. Nuts. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids and can help prevent the liver from absorbing too much or too little fat. 5. Fish. Fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory effects. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil can benefit liver health because it has anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in fiber, and this can help lower risks of liver cancer. 8. Garlic. Garlic is a prebiotic, which is a substance that feeds the probiotics in your gut, and healthy gut bacteria helps maintain a healthier liver. These are just a few of the foods that are beneficial for the liver. The Mediterranean diet, also known as the MIND diet, is also recommended for good liver health. Diets high in sugar, fat and salt contribute to the buildup of fat on the liver and NAFLD. To find out more about the Mediterranean diet and NAFLD, you can watch these next videos here. We hope you found the information in this video useful.